Hello friends, welcome to Wisdom Jobs, and today's job notification is from Kerala. So Kerala Ktet online application forms are already open. So before watching this video, please subscribe to our channel Wisdom Jobs and also click bell icon for more new interesting upcoming notifications. So friends, Kerala teacher eligibility test application forms are open. So let us quickly get into these details. So friends, as I said, Kerala Pariksha Bhavan has announced a notification for the recruitment of teachers, that is nothing but Kerala Ktet February 2020. So getting into these details friends, there is an application fees for the general as well as other backward classes with rupees 500, and for other castes like scheduled caste, scheduled types, the rupees 250 rupees for the application form. And coming to the important dates, the application forms will be opening from the 9th January 2020 and the last date for this application form is 16th January 2020. Whereas coming to your admit card, so you can download the admit card from the date, that is February 2020, and from the examination date is 15th as well as 16th, that is February 2020. So make sure that you will all apply for this examination before the date, that is nothing but the 16th January 2020. And coming to the notification details, for the candidates the qualification is according to the notification, so it is for the eligibility of teachers. So it could be any of your profession regarding any of the subject, but make sure that you will be suitable for this examination as well as for the job. So Kerala Ktet February vacancies are not perfectly given, but you can know all these details from the links. So this is the apply online, that is nothing but online application form link, and this is going to available from 9th January 2020. As well as this is the notification link. As soon as you click here, you can get all these details, as well as this is a website link, that last one, and this will be provided in our video description, so you can log in. If you have any queries or if you wanted to know more details regarding this job notification, please comment in our comment section also and we will clarify. So friends, this is all about today's job notification from Kerala. I hope you all like this video. If you really like this video, please raise your thumbs up and I'll come up with many more job notifications for you all. Thank you for watching.